Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. It's another sweet treat and a viewer request. Byron Chandler has asked me to put together a chocolate caramel no-bake cheesecake. This decadent dessert doesn't have very many steps or ingredients, and you can save yourself some time by purchasing store-bought caramel sauce rather than making it yourself. Let's see what we're gonna need. We're making an Oreo crust for this cheesecake. So we're gonna need 26 Oreo cookies and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm adding in 4 additional Oreo cookies because we're gonna need some Oreo crumbs to top this cheesecake. Just a reminder that this is the correct position this bottom plate should be in. This is how this stupid pan came from the store, and in fact every single pan was like that. So this is the correct position. Also, to keep this from sticking, I'm going to line the inside with a little bit of cooking spray and parchment paper. The ingredients for the cheesecake are quite simple. It's just cream cheese, powdered sugar, sour cream, vanilla, and chocolate. This is my homemade caramel sauce. The ingredients for the cheesecake are listed here, as well as the recipes and instructions for both in the description box below. Let's put this filling together. Let's get this undone. All right, and if we had this the other way, our cheesecake would not be able to slide off our plate. We're going to sprinkle some crumbs on top, and then after we put on the caramel, we'll sprinkle on a few more. It's time to give this cheesecake a taste. Get a little bit of everything here, including some caramel sauce, which I know is delicious. Oh my heavens. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.